Welcome to our room. It's lovely to have you here, and I'm going to show you around. So let's start right in the entrance. Nice and spacious, lovely wardrobe with multiple hangers, which is always good, and an ironing board and iron, but we won't be needing much of that on this trip. You do have a safe as well included, which is handy, and a chest of drawers. Love that. Perfect actually to store your cases as well during your stay. Really, really nice. And then if you make your way into the main bedroom, you've got a clothes horse, which is good. Very nice sized telly, love that, really, really nice actually. Tea, coffee facilities, which is always lovely. I'll definitely be using that in the morning. I'm guessing this is like a mini fridge. Oh yeah, and what's this? Oh, teapot, something like that. What's in the fridge? Okay, so it's nice and spacious as well. Really, really nice. You've got a nice desk area as well. I'll be needing that, that's for sure. And a lamp, which is handy. Gorgeous, stunning view, as you can see. They've given us a mountain view room, which is stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, yeah, I've not seen a view like that before. I think, we can see the top of the cathedral as well. You can't see it on the camera, I don't think. Maybe just in the corner. And then if you make your way round, you've got a lovely queen size bed. But one thing I've noticed here in Iceland, you get 2 duvet covers, which for us is perfect. Because you're not fighting over who's got it. So that's brilliant. Really, really like that. And if you fancy sitting down during your stay as well, then you have got a lovely, comfortable armchair to look out over the view, which is really, really, really nice. And yeah, a wonderful sized bathroom as well, which I'll show you now. So if you follow me. Lovely size, really lovely size, nice bath, nice shower, gorgeous fresh towels included, a hairdryer, which is good, more towels, face cloths, hand soap, and obviously the usual, you get your lovely shampoo, conditioner and body wash as well. Nice marble sink as well, really, really love that. But yeah, it's a gorgeous room and we're really going to enjoy our stay here. So thank you for coming and looking around with me. If you haven't already, then please watch the other vlogs from our trip, and there's more to come as well. So I really, really hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you don't mind me, please go, because I'm going to relax for the night. Thanks for coming. See you later. Take care. Bye.